Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Ryan here at AO Cleaning. Today I am disinfecting with my portable UV light my keys. So this little light here, it's going to go over that. It's going to disinfect my keys. Also, if I have my cell phone or anything handy that I want to disinfect, I can do that. Kills germs, bacteria, viruses, all that good stuff. And it's portable, as you can see, it's handheld. So, little tip of the day that I can provide that for you guys. There we go. So, yeah, you can do phones, car keys, doorknobs, pillows, all that kind of stuff, especially if you travel. It's good to do that as well. But also I have bigger models too that I can do your house with, or your office, that will kill everything in an hour or less. So, or I can also offer a fogging, disinfecting service, whatever you guys prefer. But this is really quick. It's pretty neat. I think that in a half hour I can do a whole 1,000 square feet kitchen and living room combination. You can also do your bedrooms for your home or your office. So let me know what you guys think. Please share this and comment below. Thank you.